Good Monday morning, everyone. Here with the 11 o'clock update on Tropical Storm Isaias. Still maintaining tropical storm status as we head into the late morning. Maximum sustained winds still at 70 miles per hour. Starting to pick up the pace a little bit, moving north at 13 miles per hour. Earlier this morning, it was moving north at 9 miles per hour. Either way, starting to make that northerly track, and it is going to continue to do so as it targets the Carolinas. It will stay off the coast. That is what the forecast is saying. Notice still very disorganized. It is dealing with some southwesterly wind shear, and that is helping to keep this storm very disorganized and prevent it from strengthening. However, as it does move up the Atlantic coast through the very warm Gulf Stream waters, it doesn't run into as much wind shear and dry air that's located along the Florida coastline that it's been battling. Then it is anticipated to strengthen back to a Category 1 hurricane. So this is where it is currently focused right now. It's about 100 miles off the coast, or just under 100 miles off the coast of Georgia. If you go straight east of Waycross, Georgia, bringing a few of their outermost rain bands, of the storm's outermost rain bands, along the Georgia coastline. Up to our north, a cold front, a stalled boundary that is going to help increase our rain and storm chance as well, along with the outermost rain bands of Isaias. So let's time that out. Again, stalled boundary to our north, that'll help give us a rain chance for the afternoon today. By 1 o'clock, you can start to expect those outermost rain bands to enter our forecast, and they will essentially merge. The rain and storms from our cold front and the outermost bands of Isaias will bring a widespread rain and storm chance on the way for today. Could have a strong storm or two, but no organized severe threat. As we head through the overnight hours, notice the storm will be heading up towards the Carolinas, could potentially make a landfall somewhere in North Carolina as we head through the overnight hours, again as a Category 1 hurricane, and it will bring hurricane force conditions, very heavy tropical downpours there. For us here at home, we will just be left with that stalled boundary over the state that will keep us very unsettled as we head through the next several days. The biggest impacts we'll see, other than the rain for today, not dealing with any kind of flooding threat, will be the wind. Could see wind gusts upwards of 25 miles per hour. The more south and east of Macon you go, so our southeasternmost counties, you're closer to that center of circulation, even though it will be close to 100 miles off the coast. But still, even this far out, could see wind gusts upwards of 25 miles per hour as we head into the early afternoon, and as it picks up the pace, starts to head towards the Carolinas. As we head into the evening, we'll start to die down those wind gusts a bit, and we'll be still left with the chance for some gusty wind as we head into tomorrow, but that will be more so thanks to our stalled boundary to our north. Bottom line is we are not expecting any kind of tropical storm force conditions as Isaias parallels the Georgia coastline. And of course, we will have the latest on that as we go through the day as Isaias makes its way up the Atlantic coast. So stay tuned to those updates on air and online.